Ajay, good afternoon. Ajay, sir, any doubt to you?
No, sir. No doubts in the previous questions or examples.
Chali. So we were discussing the examples of miscellaneous exercise. So I'm going to example 18. Example 17 we have discussed on that day. Example 18, miscellaneous exercise. If each of the observation x1, x2, xn is increased by a given observation x1, x2, x3. Now each observation is increased by a. A is a constant. It can be negative, it can be positive. Each observation is increased by a. It can be positive or negative number. Positive or negative number. Show that the variance remain unchanged. To prove variance remained unchanged. So this variance should be unchanged. This we have to prove. So now we know that we have the formula of variance as sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. Now each observation is increased by a. Therefore, yi is equal to xi plus a, where yi is the new observation. So I have taken yi as a new observation. I have added a in the previous observation. Previous observation means xi. So yi becomes xi plus a. Let y bar be the mean of new observation. So y bar is the mean of new observation. So I can write y bar as sigma I is equal to 1 to n yi divided by n. Now the value of yi is known to me. This is I is equal to 1 to n. This is xi plus e divided by n. So which implies y bar can be written as sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi divided by n plus e divided by n. This is NA because I is going from 1 to n. So when I will sum A as n times, this will be NA. So which implies y bar, this is equal to x bar because this is the definition of mean, sum of observation divided by number, plus n goes with this. So this is A. So my new mean is this. So new variance. This is rho square is equal to I is equal to 1 to n x I. This is yi minus y bar whole square upon n. So substitute the value of yi. This is xi plus a. I is equal to 1 to n xi plus a minus y bar. This is x bar plus a whole square divided by n, which is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi plus a minus x bar minus a whole square divided by n. It goes, which implies I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square upon a. This is the formula of the variance which we have taken in the initial. I have circled that, which is equal to a square, which is equal to old variance, which implies when each observation of the given data is increased by a constant, the variance remain unchanged. So in MCQ, he can ask you this question that the given observations are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and each observation is increased by 2. What will be the new variance? The new variance will be same as that of the original variance. So this is the conclusion. Clear? So then when each observation of the given data is increased by a constant, this constant can be positive, it can be negative. The variance remain unchanged. This is the answer. Right? So note it down. Then let me. Can I go to the next question?
Yes, sir. Noted also.
Next question, example 29, example 19. The mean and standard deviation of 100 observations. And is given 100. Are calculated as 40. Mean is 40 and standard deviation is given 5.1 by a student who took by mistake 50 instead of 40. Actual figure 40. Student taken 50. स्टूडेंट ने गलती से 50 पढ़ लिया, एक्चुअल था 40. For one observation, find the correct mean and correct standard deviation. The first you have to find correct mean. Second, correct SD. Solution. Now see, mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number. Now he has calculated mean 40. Sum of observation I don't know. Number is 100. So which implies sum of observation is this. No, actual figure was 40, but he has taken 50. था 40, उसने 50 ले लिया. So that means कि मैं क्या करूं कि actual sum of observation जो correct है, इसमें से मैंने 50 माइनस कर दिया और 40 प्लस कर दिया. Why? Because 50 was a wrong figure, so I have subtracted. But actual was a 40. I have added. So this is equal to 4,000 minus 10, which is 3990. This is the actual observation. Okay. So actual mean. This is actual sum divided by number. Actual sum, number, so which implies the actual mean is 39.9. This is the correct mean. This is the correct mean. So first part is over. Just note it down. Then we'll move to the second part. For the standard deviation. This is the second part.
Answer.
Or correct standard deviation. So we know that standard deviation is equal to sigma xi square minus sigma xi whole square divided by n square divided by n under root is the formula to calculate the standard deviation. This can be written as sigma xi square upon n minus sigma xi divided by n whole square, which is equal to sigma xi square upon n minus mean ka whole square, because this is equal to mean. Now he's saying the standard deviation is given 5.1 is equal to sigma xi square, number of observation are given 100 minus the mean, wrong mean, which is given 40. So squaring both sides, this is 51 is to 51, 601. So I'm going to put a point here, which is equal to sigma xi square upon 100 minus 1600. So which implies sigma xi square upon 100, which is equal to 26.0 plus 6, which is equal to 26.01. So which implies sigma xi square is equal to 100 multiplied by 1626.01. Sigma xi square is equal to 162601. This is the formula for sigma xi square. This is a wrong. I need a correct. Now correct. Sigma xi square. This is 162601 minus. Wrong figure is 50. So 50 square is minus plus 40 square I have added. This is the correct figure. So this is 162601 minus this plus. Okay. So correct sigma xi square, which is equal to now 162601. So this is equal to 161701. This is the correct square of sum. So mu SB means correct, which is equal to correct sigma xi square divided by n minus correct mean. So correct sigma xi square I have already calculated. N is 100 minus correct mean, that is calculated actual mean. This is 39.9. This is 161.701 minus 39.9. This is which is 161.701 so this is equal to somehow around 26. 161. No, this is 167.01. One 1617.01. One 592.01. This is around 25,
25.
which is equal to 5.
plus minus.
So my correct, which implies correct standard deviation. This is equal to 5. Question number 5 is of the same kind, exactly the same. So note it down. After that, we will discuss question number 5.
So,
G.
sir, ये last वाला part बता दो एक बार.
Last one, दे दीजिए. ये देखिए. करेक्ट स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का फॉर्मूला क्या है मेरे पास? स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का फॉर्मूला ये है सिग्मा xi स्क्वायर ओवर n माइनस मीन का होल स्क्वायर. तो जब करेक्ट स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन है तो मेरे को क्या चाहिए? ये करेक्ट सिग्मा xi स्क्वायर चाहिए. तो करेक्ट सिग्मा xi स्क्वायर मैंने यहाँ से निकाल लिया 1610701. तो मैंने करेक्ट सिग्मा xi यहाँ डाल दिया 161701 डिवाइडेड बाय n इज 100. इसके बाद ठीक है माइनस करेक्ट मीन. So correct mean is we have already calculated. This is the correct mean. ये देखिए यहाँ पे हमने correct mean निकाल लिया था. So I have substituted the value of correct mean as 39.9 whole square. So that means this minus this ultimately you get answer.
Okay, sir. Noted, so.
Okay. Then read the question number 5 of the exercise. Question 5 of the exercise. Read it.
So, miscellaneous exercise.
Yes.
The mean and standard deviation of 20 observations are found to be 10 and 2 respectively.
Okay. Number of observation how many?
So 20.
Okay. So mean is found to be how much?
10.
N. What is the standard deviation?
Standard deviation is 2.
2. अच्छा तो यहाँ तक ये बात तो क्लियर हुई कि उसने 20 ऑब्जर्वेशन दी हैं. इन 20 ऑब्जर्वेशन का मीन जो है वो 10 है और स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन 2. ठीक है 2 है. चलिए आगे.
On rechecking, it was found that an observation 8 was incorrect.
Okay.
Calculate the correct mean and standard deviation in each of the following cases.
हाँ तो he is saying there is a figure 8. This is the figure in the observations. Figure in the observation, which is incorrect. अब फर्स्ट केस के अंदर क्या है? He is saying when the wrong figure is omitted. So I need correct mean and correct SD. When wrong is omitted.
Yes, so.
चलिए जी बहुत अच्छा. तो अब सबसे देखिए पहले mean sum of observations divided by number. He has given us mean 10. Sum of observations and this is 20. Sum of observation, this is 200. So correct sum. So 200 minus, wrong figure is omitted, wrong figure is 8. So that means now it is 192. Correct mean. This is correct.
Sum of observation and correct number of observations.
Okay. Correct number. So correct sum is with me 192. And earlier total number of terms were 20. Now the terms becomes 19. So my correct mean is 192 over 90. So approximately it is 10.10.
10.1.
10.1. This is my correct mean. Okay. Now, second part. I need correct standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to under root sigma sigma x square upon n minus mean whole square under root. Now he has given me this is 2. Sum of this I want to find out. Number of observations with me, these are 20. Minus correct mean, it is 10 what he has given. So this is 4 is squaring both sides. 100.
Minus 100.
So this is 104 multiplied by 20 is equal to this. So 8020, this is equal to this. Now observation 8 is omitted. So therefore, correct this is equal to 2080 and observation 8 is omitted. So 8 square is omitted.
Yes, sir.
So which is equal to 2080 minus 64.
The 2016.
Which is 2016 sigma x square. Okay, so keep it in this. Now, this is correct. So, correct SD, this is equal to correct x square divided by n minus correct mean under root. So which implies correct SD is equal to 2016 upon n
19.
because 8 is omitted. So this is 19 minus correct mean we have already calculated 10.1.
So 102.01.
Okay, 2016 upon 19 minus 10.1 multiplied by this square is 102.01.
Yes, sir.
Minus 102.01 multiplied by 19, 1938 point. So correct mean is with me, correct standard deviation is with me. This is 19. So this is the final answer. So 2016 minus 1938.
Sir, minus 4.095.
No, it will be plus now. Why minus 7.77.9 upon 91 under root.
सर नेगेटिव में होगा ना, ये वैल्यू हाई है.
नहीं, 2016 is high, 1938.91 is smaller.
Yes. सर मैंने उल्टा कैलकुलेट कर दिया.
ठीक है. So this is my correct standard deviation.
Sir, this will be 4.09.
Whatever. This is your answer. Okay? So,
Right.
so try to finish the questions from miscellaneous exercise of chapter 5. It has only 7 questions. So one I have done with you. Yeah, इसको note कर लो पहले.
So done.
So try to finish the questions of miscellaneous from chapter 15. Clear? Over. This is your job, right?
Right. Sir.
Perfect. Okay.
Sir, noted.
Okay. ठीक है. See you tomorrow. हाँ, इसको कर लो पहले. Exercise के questions.
Okay, sir. Have a nice day, sir.